Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given radical equation 6 plus 7 times 6th root of x equals to 3 times cube root of x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And now in this next step, we are going to convert these radicals into exponential form by using this property. So therefore, this could be written as 6 plus 7 times x power 1 over 6 equals to, on this side, 3 times x power 1 over 3. And now let's focus on this part, x power 1 over 3. And here I have copied it down. Let's go ahead and tweak its exponent. So we can write our exponent as x power 1 over 6 times 2, that is same as 1/3. And now let's recall this power rule of exponents we are going to apply over here. So this could be written as x power 1 over 6 and then whole squared. So therefore this equation could be written as 6 plus 7 times x power 1 over 6 equal to 3 times, I'm going to replace this part by this one, so I can write x power 1 over 6 whole square. And now we can see that x power 1 over 6 and x power 1 over 6 they are in common. So to make our job easier, let me go ahead and call this part u and this one u as well. So therefore we are going to let u equals to x power 1 over 6. Therefore this equation could be written as 6 plus 7 times u equals to 3u square. And now let's go ahead and move all these terms on the other side. So we are going to get 3u square minus 7u minus 6 equal to 0. And now we can see that this is our quadratic equation and we are going to solve it by grouping and factoring. And now let's go ahead and tweak this middle part. Negative 7u could be written as negative 9u plus 2u. So therefore we can write 3u square minus 9u plus 2u minus 6 equal to 0. And now we can see there's a 3u is in common between these first two terms, and in these second two terms 2 is in common. So let's go ahead and factor that one out. I'm going to factor out 3u. So we got u minus 3 plus 2. I'm going to factor that one out. We got u minus 3 equal to 0. And now we can see u minus 3 and u minus 3 they are in common, so we can factor them out. I'm going to write u minus 3 times 3u plus 2 equal to 0. Now let's go ahead and separate these factors, so we can write u minus 3 equal to 0, and this second one is 3u plus 2 equal to 0. Let's focus on this first equation. Let's move this 3 on the other side. So this is going to give us u equal to positive 3. And now let's focus on this second equation, and we are going to move this 2 on the other side. So we got 3u equal to negative 2. Let's divide both sides by 3. So u turns out to be negative 2/3. And here we are ended up with u equals to 3 and u equals to negative 2/3. But then we know u equal to x power 1 over 6. let's compare these two equations. So we are going to get x power 1 over 6 equals to 3. Now let's go ahead and take power 6 on both sides, and we can see that this left hand side, this 6 and 1/6, they cancel each other out. So we ended up x equal to 3 power 6 equal to 729, and that is one of our solutions. And now let's focus on this other value of u, which is equal to negative 2/3. But then u equals to x power 1 over 6. So therefore we can write as x power 1 over 6 equal to negative 2 divided by 3. And we know that this exponential function cannot be a negative value. So therefore, we are going to reject this scenario. So thus our only solution turns out to be x equal to 729. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.